Welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car, folks. I have a really cool one here today. I'm here with Jay, and Jay has this here Hummer. Check this thing out. This is so cool. What year is your Hummer there, Jay?
It's a 2003.
2003. Wow. It sure is in nice shape.
Thanks.
Now, is this an actual military Hummer?
Yes. Yeah, made by AM General.
Okay. And this is like what the military would be driving around out in the war zones, right? That's
correct.
Wow. How long you had it?
I've had it for about 1 year.
Okay.
At least you're here.
Yeah, those are some big old tires.
Yeah, 37-inch.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll be darned.
They have run flat cores in them, so if it's flat, it'll sit on a hard, solid rubber insert.
Okay.
That will allow you to drive on flat tires.
Oh, in case somebody shoots a hole and bullet hole in it.
Yep.
That's pretty cool for sure. Hey, so you got a brush guard here?
Yep. Folds down to open up the hood.
Yeah. Boy, that hood is huge. You know
all
how much
fiberglass.
Is it?
Yep.
Do you know how much this thing weighs by any wild chance?
Right at about 6,000 pounds.
Wow. Huh.
Yep. Fiberglass hood, aluminum body.
Okay. Very neat. Now, do you know what size engine this is?
It's a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V8 diesel.
Okay.
Been around for a long time.
Yeah.
It's the old GM Detroit diesel.
Okay. So you can find parts for it and stuff if needed.
Yeah. Pretty.
That's nice. I guess this is your air filter here?
Air intake here, and air filter sits inside there.
Okay. So I guess you can drive it in the water about up to here if you wanted to, huh?
Yeah, it'll take 30 inches without a kit on it. If you add a fording kit, it'll go up to 60 inches.
Wow. That's really cool. Mind if we take a peek at the inside?
No, not at all.
All right. Man, that's a lot of room in there.
Everything in here is mostly all original except for the seats.
Okay.
Everything else is exactly the way it would have come from the factory except for my rear view mirror and the seats.
Okay. I bet these seats are probably a lot more comfortable than what they would have came with in the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is really cool. I guess this is your heater box over here?
Yes.
I don't guess they had air conditioning, did they?
No air conditioning. You can add it. It's probably on my list of things to do. Lots of storage space in the back.
Oh, yeah. I just can't get over how much room that there is between the seats.
Yeah, they did that. You could slide equipment up in here. In the back, you can slide, missiles or rockets or gear or whatever up in.
And I suppose if this was if they had a turret on the top, they could stand on this, I guess.
That's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. That's really neat for sure. Boy, this is just something that you don't see. Want me to go ahead and close this door?
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
Hopefully, I got it close.
Yeah, that's good.
For sure. What are these things?
Oh, that's a seatbelt, actually.
Okay. Seatbelt.
The seatbelt mechanism that goes through right here to the back seat.
Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see what you're talking about there.
Yeah.
Very neat. This is really something cool. You see these at car shows very often?
I haven't. No.
No, I haven't either.
No.
Definitely. We take a look at the driver's side, the dash and stuff?
Oh, yeah, sure.
And is that where the exhaust normally would come out at?
Yes.
Okay.
And if you have the fording kit, it comes up here and bolts on, and it's about 6 foot tall,
So it would connect and go up from there. Very cool.
But everything is very simple, very mechanical.
Yeah.
Not much
so
to
it's got an automatic transmission.
Yep.
And you got
4-speed.
It's a 4-speed auto?
Yes. It's full-time all-wheel drive.
Okay.
So it's always in all-wheel drive, and then you can, the transfer case has a locking.
So you can lock in all the hubs. Now I see this little thing right here. It says something about an air filter.
Yeah, so there's a little hose that runs down to the air box where the air filter is, and if the air filter gets clogged up, it'll like if you're out in the desert or something and it gets full of sand, that little gauge will go up and show me that my air filter's clogged up.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Now I guess this is how you start it right here. Just no key involved, huh?
Well, I have a key, but
okay,
it'll unlock that. Yeah.
Okay, but the military, I see you got a key here.
Yeah.
But the military guys wouldn't have a key. They would just use this thing right here to.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that key was added by me just as a safety and security.
Yeah. Can't blame you there for sure. All right, Jay, is there anything else you want to add to showing me your car?
No, I don't think so.
I think we went over about everything for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely. All right, sir. Well, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate you taking a minute out and showing me your Hummer here.
Thanks for checking it out.
Oh, you're quite welcome. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you liked it, right up here, click the little logo, and you can subscribe there. And over here is the last video I just did. Thanks again for watching.